Money will never work the same after AI. Money, as we know it, is changing forever. Artificial intelligence is quietly rewriting the rules of earning, investing, and managing wealth. What worked yesterday may no longer work tomorrow. Jobs, businesses, investments, everything is being automated, optimized, and accelerated. Some people are quietly leveraging AI to multiply income and build wealth in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Others are still stuck with old methods, unaware that the financial landscape is shifting under their feet. This is not hype. This is a fundamental change that will determine who prospers and who falls behind. Before we start, like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications, because awareness is the first step to adapting and winning in this new financial era. 1. AI is changing how money is earned. Money is no longer tied solely to time or effort. AI allows individuals to generate revenue through automation, optimization, and intelligent systems. Freelancers, entrepreneurs, and creators can now automate tasks like content creation, marketing, and customer management. For example, one person can run an AI-powered digital business that produces content, handles customer inquiries, and optimizes ad campaigns all at once. The result? Income is multiplied, and earning potential is no longer limited by hours worked or human capacity. 2. AI is changing investment opportunities. Traditional investing relied on research, trends, and intuition. AI, however, analyzes massive datasets in seconds, detecting patterns and predicting market shifts that humans often miss. Investors can now automate portfolio adjustments, risk management, and predictive trading strategies. AI doesn't get emotional or make impulsive decisions, giving users an edge. Early AI adopters are already outperforming traditional investors, and this gap will only widen as AI becomes smarter and more integrated into financial markets. 3. AI is changing how we save and budget. Personal finance is being transformed by AI-powered apps and platforms. These tools track spending, analyze habits, and suggest optimized strategies for saving, investing, and debt management. Unlike humans, AI is objective, consistent, and efficient. It prevents emotional financial mistakes and ensures long-term wealth growth. People using AI for budgeting and financial planning can grow their money faster and make smarter decisions without constant effort. 4. AI is changing business scaling. Small businesses no longer need huge teams to compete with large corporations. AI handles marketing, customer support, product research, and operations automatically. For example, an AI-driven e-commerce store can optimize ads, track inventory, forecast demand, and even create product descriptions without human intervention. This drastically reduces costs and increases revenue, allowing small entrepreneurs to scale faster and generate more profits than ever before. The rules of business growth have fundamentally shifted. 5. AI is changing job security and value. AI is not just affecting businesses, it's transforming the workforce. Routine, repetitive jobs are being automated, while creative, analytical, and AI-integrative roles are increasingly valuable. Professionals skilled in AI, data analysis, and automation command higher wages and better opportunities. Conversely, those who fail to adapt risk job displacement or wage stagnation. Understanding AI skills is now essential for maintaining financial security in an AI-driven world. 6. AI is changing side hustles and passive income. Side hustles that once required manual work can now be automated with AI. Freelancers can handle client communication, scheduling, and research automatically. Digital marketers can run optimized ad campaigns with minimal effort. Even content creators can use AI to generate multiple posts, videos, or scripts in a day. This increases efficiency and makes side hustles more profitable, turning small income streams into scalable financial opportunities. 7. AI is creating global financial opportunities. AI eliminates geographic restrictions. Someone in a small town can provide services to clients worldwide, or sell digital products internationally without leaving home. Freelancers, consultants, and entrepreneurs can now reach global markets instantly, increasing income potential exponentially. AI levels the playing field, allowing small operators to compete on a global scale and capture opportunities previously reserved for larger corporations. 8. AI is transforming financial planning. AI enables smarter, data-driven financial strategies. It can simulate future scenarios, optimize investments, predict cash flow, and adjust strategies in real time. Traditional financial planning relied on assumptions and historical trends, often leaving gaps. AI continuously updates strategies based on market dynamics, helping people protect and grow wealth more efficiently. Those who adopt AI for financial planning gain a decisive edge over those who rely solely on human judgment. 9. AI is accelerating wealth inequality. AI tends to concentrate wealth among early adopters and those who understand it. The gap between AI users and non-users is widening rapidly. Those who adopt AI tools can scale income, reduce risk, and leverage global opportunities. Those who ignore AI risk falling behind financially. Early adoption isn't just an advantage. It's becoming a necessity for anyone who wants to remain financially competitive. 10. AI is speeding up financial decisions. AI accelerates decision-making in all areas of finance. Investment moves, market analysis, business strategy, and operational planning that once took weeks can now happen in minutes. Speed is power in a rapidly changing economy. Those who fail to adopt AI may find themselves too slow to act, missing opportunities and leaving wealth unclaimed. Leveraging AI gives individuals and businesses a critical advantage in a world where timing can determine financial success. Money will never work the same again. The AI shift is already here, quietly transforming the rules of finance, wealth, and opportunity. The winners in this new era are not necessarily the hardest workers. They are the most adaptable, strategic, and willing to act. AI magnifies every decision, every action, and every opportunity. Those who embrace it now gain speed, leverage, and intelligence that multiplies wealth, while those who ignore it risk falling behind, often without realizing it until it's too late. History shows that the greatest financial shifts happen quietly. Early adopters secure the infrastructure, markets, and systems, leaving latecomers scrambling. AI is accelerating this process at a speed never seen before. It rewards vision, strategy, and systems over effort, hype, or persistence. Every day of inaction allows others to compound advantages and secure opportunities. This is not just a trend, it is a financial revolution. AI will determine the next generation of wealth, influence, and opportunity. The people who understand this shift today will be the ones building financial empires tomorrow. The people who ignore it will struggle to keep up, working harder and earning less while AI-driven competitors move exponentially ahead. The question is simple. Will you watch as AI reshapes money, wealth, and opportunity, or will you participate and secure your financial future? Like this video if it opened your eyes to how AI is changing finance. Subscribe to stay updated on AI-driven financial insights. Share this video with someone still following old financial rules. Comment below. Are you ready to use AI to grow your money? Or will you wait until it's too late? AI will make or break finances for millions. Those who act now will multiply wealth faster than ever. Those who wait may struggle to keep up. Your financial future isn't coming. It's already here, and it rewards speed, intelligence, and action.